You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A fascinating word, this one. Did you know this word? This specific spelling? This is a triangle on a railway track to turn the trains. On the tracks of the trains, it's also a plumbing piece. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. And this is pronounced indeed just like Y, just like the letter Y, or Y-W-H-Y. W-H-Y. Why? Why is it pronounced Y? Well, because the spelling suggests so. Don't worry about the E at the end. It's not pronounced, it's silent. How to pronounce English pronunciation? Y. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.